Ready to ditch those hefty commissions and jump into the fast-paced world of day trading? Today, we're diving deep into Webull to see if this commission-free platform is the right tool for your day trading game. First, let's tackle the elephant in the room. Commission-free trading. Webull allows you to buy and sell stocks, ETFs, and options without paying commission fees, which is a huge advantage for day traders who make frequent trades. Now, let's check out the platform's design. Webull is primarily a mobile-first platform, which means it's designed for trading on the go. However, they also have a desktop version. Both platforms offer clean interfaces, real-time data, and charting tools, but advanced traders might find the charting capabilities somewhat limited compared to more robust platforms. Margin rates are another crucial factor for day traders. Webull offers margin accounts, allowing you to borrow funds to increase your trading power. But remember, trading on margin amplifies both potential profits and losses. Always check Webull's current margin rates and compare them to other brokers to ensure you're getting a competitive deal. Next up, let's look at the available securities. Webull offers a decent selection of stocks, ETFs, and options. However, it doesn't offer some asset classes, like futures or forex, which some day traders might find limiting. Make sure Webull offers the securities you want to trade before committing to the platform. Ultimately, Webull is a user-friendly and cost-effective platform, especially for beginner day traders. Its commission-free structure and intuitive design are definitely appealing. However, advanced traders might need more sophisticated charting tools and access to a wider range of assets. So, is Webull good for day trading? It depends on your individual needs and trading style. Do your research, weigh the pros and cons, and see if it aligns with your day trading strategy. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more trading tips and platform reviews.